Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure sustainable income with Patreon, full guide step by step clearly.
Research your target audience thoroughly. Identify creators similar to your niche.
Analyze their Patreon pages for successful strategies.
Decide on your unique selling proposition. Determine what exclusive content you'll offer. Outline your different membership tiers.
Create clear and compelling descriptions for each tier.
Set pricing that reflects the value of your offerings. Design visually appealing graphics for your Patreon page. Craft an engaging and authentic bio that showcases your personality. Prepare a launch strategy to generate excitement. Announce your Patreon on all your social media platforms. Incentivize your followers by offering limited-time benefits.
Engage with your patrons regularly through updates and exclusive posts.
Encourage feedback to improve your offerings. Utilize live streams and Q&A sessions for direct interaction. Promote your Patreon in your regular content. Consider collaborating with other creators for cross-promotion.
Regularly evaluate and adjust your tiers as needed.
Celebrate milestones and involve your patrons in your journey. Keep a consistent schedule for delivering exclusive content.
Be transparent about how funds will support your work. Show appreciation to your patrons through personalized messages. Create a community space for patrons to connect with each other.
Use analytics to track which content resonates best with your audience. Invest in improving your skills and content with the support you receive. Stay committed to your creative vision while adapting to feedback. Maintain open communication about your goals and projects.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.